Welcome back to our how-to series on the Climatiq Excel add-in. In this video, we'll look at how you can troubleshoot and resolve some commonly experienced errors that you might encounter when using the Climatiq Excel add-in. The first common error type is a name error. This occurs when Excel is trying to resolve the name of a formula or variable, but it is unable to do so because the formula is unknown to Excel. A common cause is setting the API key incorrectly without placing the key in quotation marks. For example, if we add the quotation marks around this API key, the error disappears. Similarly, if you make a quick calculation where you entered in your own data directly into the formula without selecting it from input cells, it is important to enclose any input that is a word in inverted commas. For example, with this error, if we make sure to put Berlin in quotation marks, the error is resolved. Another root cause for this error might be that the Excel add-in was not installed correctly. We'll dive into this issue a little later on. The second error is the add-in not appearing and integrating into Excel after downloading it from the Microsoft App Store. An alternative is to download it directly within Excel by going to the Home menu bar, clicking Add-ins, More Add-ins, and searching for Climatiq. You can download it from here, and it should be working thereafter. If you're getting a hashtag error message in one of the cells, it means that your Climatiq formulas are appearing, but the add-in has not yet been initialized. Try resolving by opening and closing the add-in on the top right-hand side by clicking the Climatiq logo twice. If this still doesn't work, then delete the add-in entirely by going to Add-ins, More Add-ins, My Add-ins, and click on the three dots and hit Remove. You can then download it directly within Excel by going to the Home menu bar, clicking Add-ins and searching for Climatiq. You can download it from here, and it should be working thereafter. The next error is an error loading add-ins or error installing functions message that will look like the following screenshot. This means that there's most likely an internal company firewall blocking the add-in and the resources required to load it. First, try clicking the add-in so it can self-initialize. Alternatively, you can delete and reinstall the add-in as demonstrated in the last error covered in this video. If neither of these fixes work, you will need to reach out to your company IT team to allow access to the URL in the video description via port 443 and ensure network settings do not block JSON files. But don't worry, these details to copy and send to your IT team are in the description video below. Some other things to note is that the add-in is available for Excel on Windows from version 2013 and beyond, and Mac iOS for 2016 onwards. If you're running into errors, make sure to check what version of Excel you're using. The add-in is free to use for up to 500 calculations per month, and the only restrictions are access to EcoInvent and IEA data sources. You can track the usage in your Climatiq dashboard under API usage to easily see your consumption levels. If your question or issue was not addressed in this video, please reach out to our team via your Climatiq contact, the website chat, or under climatiq.io/support, and we'll make sure to help you quickly. To learn more about using the Excel add-in, please check out the rest of the videos in this how-to series. Thanks for watching.